Alright guys, here's Pinner Sausage talking, and today I have no rustler operated. Instead I have something I think is even better. It is the Blade MCX by flite. Okay, we're going to do an unboxing. It comes with a Spectrum 2.4 GHz DS-M2 controller, I think. It comes with a battery, a charger, a LiPo, a couple of extra parts. But anyways, let's go ahead and get this open. Okay. Here we go. I'm pretty excited. Alright, so when you first open the box, you have a little screwdriver and some other parts for the little servos in it. Papers, instructions, junk. Okay, anyways, here we go. There it is. Get it out. Alright, there it is. Cool. Here's a 2.4 GHz Spectrum DS-M2 radio. Here's the charger. Okay. And here's the battery. The battery, if you can't read that, which you probably can't, is a 3.7 volt, 120 mAh, 14C lithium polymer battery. Pretty nice. Okay. And the 4 batteries look like they go to the radio. But there it is. I'm going to get a close-up view of the helicopter. Let's get that. Okay, let's take this off. Alright, so let's start out with the fin. There's no rear motor. I'm not that experienced with helicopters. I'm pretty experienced with cars, but helicopters is new for me. So, okay. And going up here, you have the landing skid. Pretty flexible plastic. It's not that strong, it doesn't look like. Little servos right there. This isn't 3D, it's just fixed pitch, which means 3D means that it's flying upside down and everything. This doesn't do that. This is for hovering and stuff like that. Got the balancer. That doesn't look very strong. Not much plastic holding that up there. That's gonna break, I think. Okay, let's get that over and look at the radio. So, okay, pretty nice. Batteries look like they go in there. Yep. Okay, not much about that. And this batteries go in there, I guess. Okay. That's about it. I'm pretty excited about this. This is my first unboxing, and I haven't done an unboxing in a long time. I didn't post it on YouTube. When I unboxed it, it was the unboxing of my rustler, which is broken, by the way, because the motor blew out again. This is my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is my 5th motor that I'm getting. It still hasn't come in the mail yet. But anyways, guys, there it is. thanks for watching, and please subscribe. See you later.